Welcome to Vipas.AI, where we prioritize your experience with cutting-edge AI applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through accessing and utilizing your dashboard, where you can manage your favorite apps and models, as well as those you've uploaded. First, launch your web browser and navigate to Vipas.AI. Click on the top right corner of the homepage and log in using your credentials, your username, and password. Once logged in, click the Dashboard button visible at the top of the page to navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard page will appear presenting three main sections. The first section of Favorites contains all the apps and models you have marked as favorites. You can easily access and use any of them from here. To remove an item from Favorites, click on the red heart icon at the top right corner of the card. When the heart icon turns white, it means that the item has been removed from your favorites list. The My Apps section is for creators, includes all the apps you have uploaded to the website. You can check and access any of your apps here. The My Models section is for creators, lists the models you have uploaded to the website. You can check and access any of your models here. This dashboard page is designed for ease of navigation and accessibility, allowing any user to quickly check their favorites, uploaded models, and apps. This way, you can easily access your apps and models on Vipas.AI. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your journey with Vipas.AI.